Good morning, my name is Josh, and my partner is Megan. Welcome to MSOE. We're in ME 191 Computer Applications. Today we're demonstrating our final project and what we've learned throughout the class. For our project, we are using the linear calibration of the IR sensors to control the XY table. And once our blocks come in within a distance of 2 inches, our robot will come over and
Alright, so in our project we use the linear calibration of the IR sensors to determine the distance the block is from the IR sensor. As shown, we'll begin our setup with the block 2 inches from both the IR sensor on the x-axis and the IR sensor on the y-axis. We'll have the user place the blocks at these positions and then hit enter to do different linear calibrations. And after the linear calibration, we'll have the user set up the blocks and to put as many blocks as they want on the x-axis and as many blocks as they want on the y. Then we'll use the stepper motor on the XY table to move the blocks closer and closer to the IR sensors, with the IR sensors reading the distances between the block and the sensor each time. Alright, now that the block is within 2 inches of the IR sensor, the next thing that will be shown is the robotic arm movement to pick up the block and set it down. This just involves using the arm lock code to move the robot and adjust the different inputs for the waist, shoulder, elbow, gripper, and wrist.
Alright, we will begin our program by linearly calibrating the IR sensors on both the X and Y axes. As shown, the blocks were already set on the axes at the correct distances away, and the user just had to hit enter to linearly calibrate them. After the linear calibrations are done, the program will begin having the IR sensors check the distances away while the stepper motor moves the blocks closer and closer together. As shown, the block is now within 1 inch, so the stepper motor stops and the robotic arm moves to where the block is. The robotic arm picks up the block and sets it in the square taped on the table. After the block is set down, the IR sensors continue checking how far away the blocks are. Again, the block was within 1 inch and the robotic arm went to retrieve the block. Finally, the third block is picked up and set down on the table. Once the third block is set down on the table, the program is finished.